Welcome to our video on how to utilize Krea AI for your online business in 2025. Let's dive into how this powerful tool can transform your operations. Krea AI offers a variety of features designed to streamline processes. From automated support to customer insights, understanding these tools is crucial for your success. Let's walk through the setup process. We'll cover how to easily integrate Krea AI into your existing business framework. Learn how Krea AI can automate customer interactions, making support seamless and efficient. Krea AI is not just for support, it can help generate engaging marketing materials that resonate with your audience. Use Krea AI for in-depth data analysis. Gain insights into market trends and customer behavior to make informed decisions. Krea AI enables businesses to provide personalization at scale, making each customer interaction meaningful. Streamline your business processes with Krea AI to enhance productivity and efficiency. Let's explore some case studies of businesses that have successfully implemented Krea AI and the benefits they've reaped. As we look ahead, the role of Krea AI in the digital landscape continues to evolve, opening up new possibilities for businesses everywhere.